Hello friends, today I'll show you how to change PHP version from cPanel and any website. So this video just for beginner. You can skip if you expert. Okay, let's start. This is my current website. I'll apply just on this website. Please make sure take backup before update the PHP version. Sometime you will face any troubleshooting. That's why it will be better experience if you take a backup. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I will check my current PHP version. Now I'll go into the system info from Elementor. It's my current PHP version. It is my cPanel. You will see similar cPanel. All right, similar cPanel after login. After login, you will see similar interface. Okay, so now I'm going to PHP tweak or you can type here PHP, then click here. All right, and here is my all domains. You can select as you know as you need to change the PHP version. I will change my how to do it blog. Click here and little bit white. Okay, now change. Then you can select as you need to change the PHP version. Here in some PHP version. Okay, so click here. After click, it will take a little time. No worries. Okay, just change it. Now no need to save, no need to apply any save button. Just click here and little bit white, then it will be changed. Okay, no need to test. It is my current PC version. I am going to the home page again. First need to check the any problem on my website. Now it's my working properly. Now going to the dashboard. And again going to the system info. Not changes, no worries. It will be changed and take little time. Now change it. It is the caching issue, so don't worry. After change the PHP version, you need to wait little bit time, sometime 1 hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. It's depend on your server. All right. So thank you for the watching, and please comment if you face any problem, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see the more videos. Thank you so much. Bye.